Hello everyone, it's standard third English grammar review 3. It's on a page number 83. Okay, it's on a page number 83. A number, underline the adverbs and write whether they are how, when or where. Okay, so first number, the boy is running fast. So we have to underline fast and we have to write down how. Okay, we have to underline fast and we have to write down how. Second number, look up in the sky. So we have to underline up, and we have to write down where. Up, we have to underline up and we have to write down where. Third number, I went to the market yesterday. So we have to underline yesterday, write down when. Fourth number, the baby woke up late. So underline late, write down when, WHEN. Fifth number, the sun is shining brightly. So underline brightly, write down how. Sixth number, the baby is sleeping now. Underline now and write down when. Seven number, he is waiting downstairs. So underline downstairs and write down where, WHERE, where. Eight number, Vishal sings melodiously. So underline melodiously and write down how. Nine number, they will return from Delhi tonight. So underline tonight and write down when. 10 number, she dances gracefully. So underline gracefully and write down how. Now B number, filling the blanks with the suitable prepositions from the box. First number, I go to school with my father. Answer is with. Second number, they are talking blank each other. So to. Answer is to. Third number, the dress is blank for you. Answer is for. The dress is blank you. So answer is for. Fourth number, the dog is blank its kennel. So answer is in. Fifth number, the policeman ran blank the thief. So answer is after. Sixth number, the cat sat blank the window. So answer is near. Seven number, the man is blank the ball. So answer is on. Eight number, the table is made blank glass. So answer is off. Nine number, the ball is laying blank the table. So answer is under. 10 number, the cat is hiding blank the tree. Answer is behind. Now C number, join the sentences with the words given in the brackets. Okay, so first number, I am speaking answer, you just pay attention and do some changes if it is required. First number, we went to the bookstore but the book was not available. So here you have to just add but. Okay, after bookstore you have to add but. So again I am speaking, we went to the bookstore but the book was not available. Okay, second number, you can go to Delhi or Agra. So you have to cancel, you can visit. Okay, you can visit, you just cancel and instead of that you write down or. Again I am speaking, you can go to Delhi or Agra. Okay, now third number, on a page number 84, we have taken the doctors. He was taken to the doctor because he was ill. So you just after doctor you just add because. Okay, he was taken to the doctor because he was ill. Fourth number, Jeet is good dancer and good singer. So he is a cancel. He is a cancel, and instead of that you just write down and. Again I am speaking. Jeet is a good dancer and a good dancer or a good singer. Jeet is a good dancer and good singer. Okay. Fifth number. We called him twice, but he did not answer. Okay, so you just add but. Sixth number. Mita is in a class 3. Mita is in class 3 and Mona is in class 4. So you just add and. Okay, A and D and. 7 number. They were late because the school bus came late. Okay, so you just add because in between the sentence. Because you have to add. Okay, they were late because the school bus came late. 8 number. Don't talk in the class or I will punish you. Don't talk in the class or I will punish you. You just add or. Okay. 9 number. Anita went to the school. Anita went to Delhi because her grandmother stays there. So only because you just add in the sentence. Okay. After Delhi you just add because. 10 number. Vijay is tall but his brother is short. So answer is you just add but. Vijay is tall but his brother is short. Okay. Now D number, filling the blanks with the correct words in the from the brackets. First number, please blank your name on the worksheet. So answer is right. WRITE right. Okay. Answer is right. WRIT right. WRIT right. Okay. Second number. Do penguins have blank? So answer is tails. 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 Third number. Mona ate the blank cake. So answer is whole. 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 Fourth number. Mihir is too blank to go to school today. So answer is week. WEAK week. Okay. Fifth number. Please speak loudly. I can't blank you. So answer is here. HEAR here. Sixth number. I can't see anyone in the park. So see SEE. Seventh number. There are many stars twinkling in the sky. So answer is there. THERE there. 8 number. Someone has come to see you. SEE again SEE. 9 number. This is blank house. Our our. Okay. 10 number. I saw a deer in the zoo. So DEER deer. Now E number, find the 8 parts of speech in the word grid. So here you will find out adverb. Adverbs are there, adjectives are there. Okay, adverbs, adjectives, conjunctions, nouns, pronouns. Okay, and interjections also are there. So you just find it out. They are here only. Okay, they are here only. You just find out and do the circle. You can do it by yourself. Okay. F number. Name the parts of speech in the highlighted words belong to you. You can choose from the hints given in the brackets. First number. The man is my father. So father is noun. Okay, father is noun. Second number. Sonali is an intelligent student. Intelligent is an adjective. Okay, intelligent is an adjective. Third number. Varsha plays badminton. Place is a verb. Okay, PLAYS. Place means it's a verb. Fourth number. Birds fly in the sky. So fly is verb. Okay. Then fifth number. She is playing with Soha. It's a with is a preposition. With is a preposition. Okay. Then six number, the fly is disturbing me. So fly is noun. Fly is noun. Seven number, Meena or Suhana will sing the song. So or is a conjunction. Or is okay. So seven number, Meena or Suhana will sing the song. So or is a conjunction. Or is a conjunction. Okay. Seven number, or is a conjunction. Eight number, the baby cries loudly. So loudly is adverb. Loudly is adverb. Okay. Then nine number, we went to meet the students. So we is pronoun. We is pronoun. Okay. And 10 number, we could not reach on time because the traffic jam. Because of the traffic jam. So because is conjunction. Because is conjunction. Now G number, match the different parts of speech in the words in the given in the circle. Use different colors for linking different parts of speech. Okay. So noun. School is noun. Okay. School is noun. Them is pronoun. Them is pronoun. Adverb is fast. Adverb is fast. Preposition is under is preposition. Under is preposition. Then beautiful is adjective. Beautiful is adjective. Oh is an interjection. Oh is an interjection. Because is conjunction. Because is conjunction. And play is a verb. Okay. Play is a verb. So here I spoke all the things. You just listen it carefully and match it carefully. Okay. Now H number, filling the blanks with the suitable words from the boxes given. First number, Mary dances. Answer is gracefully. Answer is gracefully. Second number, the boy stood near the shop. Here. Answer is here. Okay. The boy stood near the shop. Third number, the large building beside in the park is a school. So large. Answer is large. Fourth number, my father is an engineer. So answer is father. Fifth number, hooray, we have won the match. So answer is hooray. Sixth number, my grandparents stay in Delhi. Answer is stay. Okay. Answer is stay. Seven number, Tina went to the market and bought the vegetables. So and. Answer is and. Eight number, Nita is a good artist. She takes art lessons every weekend. So answer is she. Answer is she. Vinay and I are friends. We study in the same class. So answer is we. Okay. Answer is we. W-E-B. And last number, 10 number, the man is honest. So answer is. Okay. Answer is. Now I number, last number, write the parts of speech in the highlighted words belongs to. The first one has been done for you. First one number, it is written little is an adjective. Okay. A number, little is an adjective. It is already written. Now B number, come. Come is verb. Okay. Come is verb. C number, and is a conjunction. And is a conjunction. D number, stop is a verb. Stop is a verb. I is a pronoun. I is a pronoun. To is preposition. To is preposition. Window is noun. Window is noun. He is pronoun. He is pronoun. Again I am speaking. Little is adjective, which is already written. B number, come is verb. C number, and is conjunction. D number, stop is verb. 8 number, I is pronoun. E number, I pronoun. Then F number, to. TO2 is preposition, G number window is noun, and H number he means he is a pronoun. Okay, so here we have just now completed our revision 3, review 3. Okay, thank you. You just write it down one time in your notebook or textbook. Thank you.